In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to purchase a domain on GoDaddy using UPI or Paytm. Firstly, we begin our domain shopping journey by traveling to the GoDaddy website. Once there, the next order of business involves searching for the domain name you wish to acquire. Placing the desired name into the search bar will let you know if it's up for grabs. Finding that the domain you desire is available is cause for celebration, and our next step. We now transition from eager shoppers to proud owners as we add our sought-after domain to the shopping cart. Be mindful during this process, as GoDaddy offers additional services such as domain protection, which you might find valuable, and can be packed along with your domain name in your cart. Having filled your cart with all your desired items, we now move into the home stretch of this process. Navigate to your cart and move to finalize your domain acquisition. The Continue to Cart or Ready for Checkout options are your pathways into the payment zone. Inside the payment options, you will find a number of ways to acquire your domain. But remember, we are focusing on purchasing using UPI or e-wallets. Locate this option and select it confidently. A new form will pop up upon this selection, granting you the opportunity to assert your control over the transaction. This is where you enter your UPI virtual payment address, also known as your UPI ID. This could look something like your name at Paytm or your email at a UPI. With you in the driver's seat, the process now hands back control to GoDaddy as they dispatch a payment request straight to your UPI app. These applications range from Paytm to Google Pay and are your ticket to finalizing the transaction. Boot up your UPI app and approve the domain purchase request. The symphony of purchasing your domain has one final note to hit. Upon completion of the payment, a sweet sound will be heard in the form of a confirmation. Your successful registration is signaled by GoDaddy sending you an electronic mail. Receipt of this email is the end of your journey. Congratulations! You have now purchased a domain on GoDaddy using UPI or Paytm.